Hello traders, today is the 15th of September 2010 and happy trading to you all. As you can see on this 15-minute chart of the Euro USD, I want to show you the importance of checking first the higher time frame before making your trading decisions, before entering your trade in the lower time frame. Your decisions made in the higher time frame, swing it back to the lower time frame in order to have the best entry point. The only reason why you see most of the time on YouTube the professionals showing how they are trading, and you see them on 5 minutes or in 3 minutes or whatever, and they will show you that they enter the trade and the trade will move in their favor. But one thing that I regret that in some of the video they do not mention to the new traders that the decision was not made on that 5 minutes, that the decision was made on the higher time frame. Very important point. We need to stress on it and tell people that the decision was not made on the my entry point time frame. The decision was made on the higher time frame. Very important. So people stop wasting their money going to the lower time frame only to go up and down, up and down. No. Now, this morning, just before London was open, the Euro USD was kind of consolidating here. And as you can see right there, this consolidation zone, the price break out of that consolidation zone. If I draw my line like this, okay, I'll draw it like this, as I like to do it like this, okay. So it was between these two levels here, and then he tried to break it out right here, which was has failed, okay. And then people sold it fast. As you can see, the size of this candle here went below it, and then found a support and returned back into the box again and went out. This is what I'm talking about, the second attempt, okay. As you can see, the market opened fast. If you try to play the breakout, always be patient, especially if you're on a lower time frame. If you can have the second attempt, is always the best entry point. You see, if the price was stuck between those two levels, first attempt to break it, just after London was open, he tried to break it right here. He went out. If you like, you can keep going and wait for your pullback, which is the best way to trade. People were waiting for pullback, but it crashed down. It didn't find a support. That's the first attempt to go out. It went below this level here. We will watch carefully here. Right here, that's what we call the second attempt. That's where the professional will come into the market and try to participate. Because something happened once, it's about to happen second time. You must pay attention to the second time. That's what we call the second attempt. You will take a very tiny stop loss, 30 pips at this point here, to see whether you continue or not. If you fail, fine, you are risking a very small amount of pip, but you know that if you work in your favor, look at this, it worked exactly right there and just gash out. Talking about second attempt, that has been confirmed here. The price break this resistance, or if you like, you wait till this resistance level is broken, okay, and then you break it big time, okay. You just break it big time fast. So you'll be a bit too late here because the party was almost finished from here, and the price went up, 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 up here, and then it gets stuck. Why the price gets stuck here? Because on the higher time frame there is a resistance level, okay. So this is the problem, because people don't pay attention to the higher time frame, and then they will try to buy here into a resistance. When you are buying into a resistance, you are playing with fire, okay. And then the professional will sell when you are buying, which is not good. You want to buy when they are buying, you want to sell when they are selling. And where do they sell? They sell exactly at the resistance levels. So when the price is approaching resistance level and you are in profit, you take your profit and watch the action around that zone. It does not mean that the resistance will hold as a resistance, but we just stop. We take action, we take our profit, we watch the next move, okay. If the next move is confirmed, we enter again. Look, after the market hit that level, the whole day, the Euro USD was stuck in that zone, okay. As you can see, it couldn't cross it anymore in this zone here. You see, it just stuck. It's going up and down. People buy it here, it fell. Buy here, it fell, okay. It does not mean that the price now is going down completely, but right now there is a resistance in this zone. That's all you need to remember, that there is a resistance in this zone, and then you pay attention to it. So you do not try to buy into resistance. So what do? If you keep doing it, all the profit that you made this morning nicely, all the profit that you have made in the first move, the fast bullish move, okay? If you do not know that there was a resistance here and you try to continue to buy here, you'll be losing money and give back all the hard-earned profit that you have. You don't want to do that. That's why you always pay attention to the higher time frame in order to give back all your profit. Or maybe you will be taking all your bullish signal right in front of a resistance zone. No, we don't do that. Do not do that, okay? This is the daily chart of this Euro USD. If I draw my horizontal line for you, you will see clearly. Exactly here, look, that's where the price is now, you see? This horizontal line here. You see this wick here where my cursor is a resistance level. As you can see, the price was going up. If you follow my cursor, was going up. It hit this level here. What's happened? Look at all this wick. First time, they push it down. Second time, with this candle, they push it down. Third time, they push it down. And the price even came down to this level. The professional do not disregard that. They will pay attention to it. That's why this morning, when this euro was crashing all the way up, it hit this level. The professional came out. They're going to watch the next move. They are not going to be the most courageous traders. They want to watch the action. If you cross above it and find a support, that's fine. If you fail and turn around and the trend line is broken, that's fine. So you just follow the price and observe it. But you do not try to buy into the resistance. You wait for the price to cross above it and to find support, or you place a limit order. The limit order is one of the tools that the professionals are using all the time, which means you do not just come in and buy straight away, but you put your order exactly where you want to be taken into the market. So instead of selling straight away or buying straight away, like here, if you want to buy, do not buy. You just close your position. You place a buy order 10 or 15 pip above this line. Okay, that's what the professional will do. Or maybe place a double order, want to buy above and want to sell below. It's up to you. It's depending on your own strategy. In my view, it's no point to rush, okay? So you have that profit in the morning on your 50-minute chart, okay? So when the price reaches that level, you come out. You draw your horizontal line at that resistance level. You wait for the price itself to cross it, okay? Myself, that's the way I like to do it. So I'll take all my profit here and I'll just turn around and watch it, okay? And watch it, or maybe look for another thing to trade, because there will be another currency pair or stock or index that will be a better opportunity. You see, it came back again and touched the same level. Now it came back down. It does not mean that the euro is now going to a downtrend, but it's a level you need to pay attention to. So it's to wait nicely for the price to climb it and to find a support, or at least one or twice, okay, to give you a second attempt nicely, and then you ride the breakout again, okay? So this is about the top-down trading method using the TSTW24 trading system with this strategy. Trading is a method, okay? Trading is a way of buying and selling. So you need to learn to trade, okay? If you are struggling with your trading, okay? If you are losing consistently, okay, it means that you are doing something that you shouldn't do. You are buying when you should sell, okay? That's why when you buy, the price is going the opposite way, okay? And you are selling when you're supposed to buy. So you sell, the price is going up. But in order to avoid that, is to locate areas where there are sellers, and then you sell together with other traders. Don't be alone selling. Same thing if you're going to buy, you locate areas where buyers are likely to be. Those buyers are the professional. They are the one that move the market. You know, sometimes if you trade the Asian session in the night, you place your order, you get a best setup, and the price is not going anywhere. You just stuck there, you hold it, you get fed up, and then you end up losing a bit of money because there's nobody to move the price forward. You want to trade when London open, and when New York open, the first 2 to 3 hours, get your portion and go away. This is about a day trading, okay, and also to use the top-down trading method. Till the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.